Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Good morning, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Today is Monday's Crochet Chat, and I'm so excited to bring you Monday's Crochet Chat because I get to show you guys what all I have been working on over the weekend. I'd like to say thank you to everyone for all the ones that have subscribed to my channel, for all the members, the subscribers, and I just want to let you guys know right off the bat how much I appreciate you guys. I have one thing going in, that is the crochet along for the blanket, and let's see, I have finished the basket. I've made a basket to go with mine, thanks to my sister Tanya, because she made one, so I just had to make one too. So here is the basket that I made. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay guys, this is the basket that I ended up making. It's my same basket tutorial that I have on YouTube here. And the stars are the same stars that I have for the Stars and Stripe blanket, if you're interested in making this. So what I did is I actually hot glued these stars on here instead of going through the trouble of having to sew them on. I went up, this was the last 6 rows that I had to do. I think I did 20 rows total, and my last 6 rows was 2 was for the handle, and then these 2, and then these 2. But these are all 3 strands, the red, the white, and the blue put together. And then these up here, 3 strands of blue, 3 strands of white, and 3 strands of red. But this is it. I put stars all around it. There's my back where I changed my colors. And back to the front here. This is it. And there's the inside. Okay, so I went ahead and put my blanket up here so you can see it. So I am done now. I've got my blanket done. I've got a basket done. And thank you, Tanya, for the idea of doing the basket like this. This is all Tanya's idea. So thank you so much for that. This also makes a great place to store your blanket. You have you a nice star basket, and the blanket just folded up. It just fits real nicely in there. I did 11 rows for the bottom of the basket, and I did 20 rows for the top is what I did, if you're interested. I'm not sure on the tutorial how many rows I did. I can't remember. Okay, so yeah, so that's the basket. I'm so excited to have that done, and thank you, Tanya. And it is so cool because some of you guys are making the basket as well, and you're posting it in my Facebook group page, and I love seeing that. As you can see in the little video clip, the blanket just fits right in there. So okay, so the next thing that I have is I did get my Ipsy bag, and that's where once a month I pay for a subscription where I get makeup. And I have already put all my stuff up, and I didn't want to gather it all, bring it out here, but I did get some really cool stuff. And if I can find the pictures, if they're still in my phone and I haven't deleted them, I will show you what I got for this month. It was a really cool month. This is the bag that I got with it. It is so pretty. I just love this bag. And this came with a small curling iron that's, I think it was like a pale yellow, and it's just so cute. It came with I got perfume, I got face cream, I got body butter, lipstick, oh gosh, I can't remember what else. I got my 5 items, and they let you pick 3 out of the 5 items that you want. And then I think I bought a couple extra for $3.50. That's what I did. And the perfume, I think, is one of them that I got for $3.50. And I can't remember what the other thing was I picked. But anyway, I was so excited for the month of June, and it's so cute, these little popsicles. So yeah, like I said, if I can remember, I'll put those pictures up here. So if you're interested in Ipsy, I do have a referral link. I do earn points, and I use the points to buy more makeup. Okay, let's see what else that I have. So as you can see, the blanket is finished. I posted this on my Facebook group page and on Instagram. There's the border. Up there. It is just, I just love this blanket. I'm so proud of this. And some of you guys, the colors that you are going with, one of you went with a beach scene, and I just love it. I'm like, oh my gosh, now I gotta have that. It is so pretty. But yeah, let me show you a clip. Let's see if I can insert some images of some of you guys' progress. I'm not going to show any pictures of any finished ones. Some of you guys have finished already, and have posted it in my official post on Facebook, where you know, so that you can have your blanket in the entry for the $50 prize for the Hobby Lobby card, and $50 for Michael's. I mean, to Joanne's, thanks to Tanya. Tucker, thank you, sis. And I won't show those because those are going to be in a separate video. But I would like to show everyone a little update on their blankets, the progress. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. The other thing that I have is I thought I'd show Link again. I've got a lot of new subscribers, and some of you guys may not know that I designed this little character from The Legend of Zelda. And in case you're interested in making him, I will leave the link below for you guys in case you want to make this little guy. He's even got the ears, guys. Look at the ears. Isn't that just adorable? Anyway, there's this little rupee bag with the Triforce symbol right there. So yeah, I'll leave the link below in case you want to make this little guy. So the thing that I'm actually working on today, after I get through editing this video, I am working on, I told you guys I was going to be making the Harry Potter and Hermione. I guess that's how you pronounce her name. I don't really watch Harry Potter. But I have a lot of friends who do, and my daughter loves Harry Potter. She's 27, I think, or 28, and she still, you know, really likes these characters from this movie series, book series, and I actually made her the set of the three guys for Christmas last year. And anyway, so I wanted to go ahead and make a set of the boy and girl outfit for the 18-inch dolls. And so that's it right there. That's my little drawing. I always draw out my images first and refer back to them. So I got to start on this last night, and so far all I've gotten done is a pair of pants, and I have started on the skirt. Let's see, I'm right there. And there's the little skirt for the girl. That's all I've gotten so far. And for the dark gray part of it, I'm using Big Twist yarn in medium gray. And for the top here, I'm pretty sure it's going to be, I think the color is light gray. Well, I tell you what, I have it right here. Let's see. Soft gray. This is going to be the shirt color. This is part of the red and the gold. I think it's supposed to actually be burgundy, but guys, I just couldn't find burgundy in my stash. So I'm having to go with the red. But you see where it goes right there. And then the black is just a Big Twist as well, and it's black. So I think that's really all the colors that I needed. And this is the basket that I'm working in. It's one of them that I just found colors in my stash, my little yarn ball stash. And this is how it came out. So I've got all my colors in there. Yeah, guys, that's actually all that I have. So I'm excited about the Harry Potter. Like I said, I don't really care for Harry Potter, but I know a lot of kids do. So they are on my hook today. So that's all that I have that I'm working on at the moment. I do have a washcloth. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show that to you guys. But I'll show that in another video. Let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Today is June the 13th. Okay, it says reason for success. The Lord will be your confidence and will keep your foot from being caught. Proverbs 3:26. God, I come to you with all my dreams and goals laid out before you. As I follow you, your goodness finds me. What a privilege to be walking in the light of your favor. You know how easily I rely on my own abilities to get things done. When my strength is depleted and I have nothing else to give, when there is still much to do and many needs left unmet, I fall into you. I was never meant to be the one to do it all. You alone are able to meet every need. It is not my job. Whether I fail or succeed, I am confident that you are big enough to cover it all. My confidence is not found in my own ability. Help me when I edge towards perfectionism. In you is where everyone and everything finds their satisfaction. Thank you, Lord. It says, do you have more confidence in your ability or in God's? And it is so easy to think that we have confidence in our own abilities when really we need to be relying on God. He's there for us. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for this video. And just remember, if you're doing the crochet along, please post your pictures in the official post that I have on Facebook. And remember, guys, to just live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.